Hi guys, this is Travis Lambert from TRL Automotive. Today I wanted to demonstrate for you the jumper hack and how it falls short with a quick ignition cycle. So I have the jumper installed in my switch. I have the Autostop eliminator removed, of course. Everything's powered down on the truck just as it would be, say in the morning before you start your vehicle. So let's go ahead and start it up. And you can see that auto start stop is now off. Looking to deactivate it by driver. Here's where it falls short. So let's say you turn your vehicle off. You see the indicator on the auto start stop went off. You start it back up. Look what happened. Auto start stop is back on. And now that you have the jumper installed, you can hit the button all you want. It's not going to do anything. So if you have the jumper, if you don't happen to notice, you're stuck with auto start stop until the next ignition cycle. So in spite of what you may read, this hack does not work. Thanks for watching.